What does the world look like in your eyes? There is more to the world than meets the eye. You may have seen the panic and helplessness in ruins.
With communications still crippled, the true death toll and extent of damage from the disaster are not yet known.
Yet you may not have seen the offer of a helping hand.
Alpha Tora, China Air Force formation arrives 1 minute later.
After the eruption, the Chinese embassy immediately activated a contingency plan.
These are expected to arrive in Tonga on the 27th, and this is the second batch of relief materials donated from China.
You may have seen them manage the life in war. You may not have seen the launch without fear. You may have seen their rampant pillage. You may not have seen the undaunted fight against evil.
Thank you, Chinese Navy.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
How do you see the Chinese soldiers? You may have seen the discipline and precision. The fortitude and fearlessness. You may not have seen the vigor and youth. Love and responsibility. How do you see the Chinese military? You may have seen the growing confidence and capabilities. More than that, is an expedition by these uniformed men and women towards honor and glory. They are trustworthy, ready to fight and win. They're beloved, serving the people heart and soul. They're respectable, a staunch force for world peace and a community with a shared future for mankind.
老朋友，好朋友。
The world is more than you can see, and peace fosters diversity. Whether you have or have not seen, the Chinese military is never absent in safeguarding world peace.